Today unboxing is on the latest TLV Subaru Legacy Touring Wagon GT. D92 Subaru Legacy is based on the new mold for TLV. You can see the alphabet A and B, and I'm always excited about Wagon release from TLV to add into my collection. Very standard packaging, just like the other release. Really nice and well detailed presentation from TLV as always. I'm very impressed with the paint job in root beer color. Already come pre-installed with side mirror, and that's great. I do not have to install myself. That should be the way going forward for TLV. And I really like all the fine details and touches for the Legacy Wagon. Rear light is hyper realistic. You can see the Legacy logo type on the painted finish. Also very impressed with the details on the exhaust. And for TLV in particular, I have no problem going extreme up close. Despite the casting in 1/64 scale, the details are very accurate. Even for the front, it's very accurately replicated. And you can see the Subaru badge is very legible. Awesome casting, and I hope TLV will come with more color variation for the Legacy Wagon. Next, the Legacy Wagon in black. Wow, very nice. Looks even better in black finish. Even the paint job is very premium. You can see the pearl finish on the black. In high gloss, details wise is totally the same as the root beer color. Although this is a realistic model car, the wheel set looks perfect. The front is highly detailed as well and looks very realistic. Thankfully comes pre-installed with the side mirror and a very well presented rear. Overall, this pair of Subaru Legacy Touring Wagon is awesome, one of the better release from TLV, and it's definitely a great casting for Subaru and Wagon collectors. More TLV unboxing coming, and remember to subscribe to my second channel called Kustoms Unboxing. You can always refer to the link down below in my comment section. Thanks everyone, bye!